I'll go with RadialProgress. Okay, so guess I'll go with this one. PG LG. Come on. Yeah. XDG. Ah.
Saccade Bidgie. Saccade Bidgie.
That's not right. Yeah, why it's not triggering this one? Language C++. The nuclear option, like always. That continues to struggle. Just custom regular expression to capture the function name. So I think, oh, there is a no. So, so if I do C++, that may work, right? Dash dash language equals C++. Oh, it sucks. It's not seeing it. Nope. Turn. So what it's suggesting as well, that one. What just happened here? I guess it's working. Why it needs this sort of a helper here? Anyways, it is working. I'm not mad. Who cares, right? So load program. So first it's shader. So let's call it shader. I know. In BGFX it's program. Let's return it back. Oh, program is combination of two shaders. I think I made a mistake with that. Because every time then I add assets, I have to rebuild the whole world. Everyone depends on the asset, and like every time then I'm updating asset, I just need to rebuild everything just because I added one line here, and that's not good. So not sure what to do with that. As well, there is multiple steps just to add the asset, and I don't think I want to do it. So we can go back to the fragile way of doing it by string. The downside, it's runtime crashes. So we have image UI and font UI. Image UI, font UI. I need vertex shader. So there is a color. Everything else is same. Position, color. Image actually can have color, so we can make it same. Anyways, what to do with the assets? Guess I'll revert it. Where did I do it? Not here. You expose all assets as named members and assets class. I know. Probably should do it manually. Let's do it manually. Let's do it right. So this should go away. What is this? So this is a name. What is this armature? What? Yeah, that makes sense. I see. So it's that one. What is this? Okay, and now let's start fixing all this. That's gonna be fun. Unknown type name. What? Crystal Sanctuary Guardian. Mesh. That's not right. Maybe it's right. Maybe it's right. So we don't need get. Get. Did you have a sense? This dog is so annoying. wasn't too bad. Okay. So why did I do all this stuff? I don't know. I don't think I need to do it. But it should have... Is it handler or handlers? Handle. It's neither. So vertex is first. Vertex shader, fragment shader. A dot and pause? Yeah. I see. I really do not want render to depend geoprog point light prog spotlight prog actually yeah, everything should be fine. Target. So this can be const, right? And const as well. So I can call it h, I guess. Okay. Instances. Where is it? Geom render data. Geom render data. Mesh key. I guess material. Yeah, so material now would have include program asset and reference wrapper program asset program instanced program, and so probably I'll put it here. Program so would be geom what's going on here? I think all of them should take as a second parameter that one. Okay. Program instanced program. Geom. Okay. So now it can go here and say mat program mat instanced. So maybe I should call it prog. Prog. I don't know. 2 gets is too much. So set program asset should return pgfx program, I guess. Program handle. Come on. Still requires two gets. I guess I can do that one. Operator, or maybe like this. Oh yeah, that is working. It's like this. Come on. No. Still need get. Still need at least one get. Okay, 1 get is fine. 2 gets, it might be ridiculous. Bloom render pass. I guess bloom program, we will keep bloom. Bloom we will keep. Bloom combine as well. We are going to keep combine. Where are you? Combine we keep. Image prong. Okay, so image prong. v dot prog dot get. Okay, so image dot cpp private include prog asset dot hpp evidence wrapper. So image need to take assets. And because prog assets dot get program asset. Okay, and then here dot prog equals prog dot get. Yeah, I can do pgfx program handle prog. Okay, imagine, and we do not need get here. Cool. So image is taken care of. Skeletal mesh. So I was saying, okay, yeah, let's do it in the material. Skeletal mesh jump prog. I guess material, let's call it escape prog. Escape prog. Point light prog. That's interesting. So we can just do light in, because they're virtually same except angle. BGFX program handle prog schemash dot hpp. No. So we took care about that. Anyways, I think compiler will help us. Yeah, I guess I'll keep text prog as well. So this one should go here. Okay, so I think we will have little bit of errors. So spotlight BGFX why you're not happy? Not parent, assets. Here you're happy. I don't know why it's not happy. Point light. Okay, did we crash? Oh man, that's gonna be hard to debug. Why we crashed? Yeah, everything is in pipeline, so it's kind of yeah, just called frame and just okay, go. So let's see. Yeah, everything looks fine. What are debug BGFX crash?
What are techniques to debug a BGFX crash?
BG config debug. Set debug BGFX. Debug that enables on script debug overlay. Debug uniform to one that catches cases where you submitted a draw call without shader. Config multi-threaded equals 0. Okay. PCH set multi-threading to 0. Okay. So maybe I'll just build a debug version of BGFX. Release. Building BGFX. Here we go. So debug. I think this is enough. Okay. I do not know if I yeah, I removed that. So make clean. Let's run and debug and see what's gonna happen. Are you building debug? Glances. Yeah, it's building debug, so that's good. Oh man, debug is so slow. Texture conversion is just so slow. Oh yeah, compilation failed. I kind of anticipated it because I forgot. Ah, ah, change that. Oh, that's interesting. Jolt is built in debug mode. Okay, and we crashed. But we crashed. Uniform type mismatch. Type 0 expected. Type 0 expected to normal combine. Normals combine. Okay, up 6. U node ID. Okay. V node ID. V node ID. Uniform node ID. So everything else should be fine. Okay. Still crashing. Mesh asset. Why are we destroying it on startup? Handle is valid. So there is a move constructor. Where? Oh my god! Is it AI added? It should not be here. Oh my god! I was like it's like I keep adding it. Okay, so program handle is not valid. Invalid handle. Submit handle 2624. Wait. 6. vprog light render data. So something not right with light. prog.get and in constructor point light. So let's add the debug lines here. Path and handle h.get pgfx program handle. Dot edx. They all looking good. How this happened? Light render data. I think I forgot to copy it. Oh, I did copy it. It's here. PGFX program handle. Okay, So that was a bug. Something happening, or we crashed? Oh. And we crashed. I think the problem is, yeah. Specific must be valid if they are statically used by a cable. What always render wiki cpp? Anyways, I think I'll switch back to blissful debug version. Make clean release version, I mean. It runs in release, so why do you care, right? It's supposed to run in release now. Then I fixed some problems. I probably should stash. Yeah, it's fine. Just changing release to debug everywhere and should be good to go. I'm kind of interested why Jolt physics built in debug. Oh, Jolt config, it says debug, yeah. Anyways, it runs fine, so I guess it's fine. Shake my hand. It's like I was deleting it and then deleting it and then deleting it, and AI was able to sneak it again. But we have tools. We have tools. Why it's rainbow here? Why are you rainbow? Let's do more stuff. So I do not like this one is so verbose. So I'm going to rename it to prog assets. Prog asset. Prog asset. Prog asset. Okay, and okay, so let's do another round of grep, which would do that. Prog asset, prog asset, prog asset. Okay, and while I'm here, why not to rename load program? Load prog, load prog, load prog. Okay, so let's regenerate e tags. Okay, there is one more thing what I wanted to do, but I do not remember what is the thing. Images. So because we are passing assets here already, so instead of that, probably should make it a string. And do assets get text. Okay. Somehow I missed that. And now just a string here. Yeah, RadialProgress. Ah. Mm. Those would be strings. Wrong. So I'm going to copy from the image for now, but now we are unlocking the ability to have custom shaders. So always refactoring is for that. So now I can write my own shader for RadialProgress. So didn't work. Declare identifier text. Okay. And dot prog equals prog dot get. Okay. Progress. We are making progress. Think that would fine. Oh, that's broken. How it get broken? Something happened here. So it is getting the list. of meshes. Yeah, let's debug it. Font maybe broken. So font is good. If I press A, same thing. Menu item. Okay, so there is a list. There's nothing with menus. No changes with menu. Just a label, it adds label. And labels are working fine. So, maybe something with due to color. Let me scene editor. Let me 1 pixel texture menu background. So if I take this pixel and make it semi-transparent, yeah, why this is happening, nobody knows. So it should render in the correct order, but it's not rendering in the correct order. So render. So spotlight, image prog, UI render data. Submit. So render text. So let's do text pass maybe. I don't know. 6. No, this is not right. I don't know. It should work, I think. I know. Yeah, that might be problem, right? Is it the order is correct, right? Text is being drawn at very end. I don't know. So let me see if I can force Z and see what would happen if I put the Z. Set vertex. Set vertex. V vertex buffer. Text vertex. X, Y. Okay, so it's in the font basic vertex shader. So if I put -0.5, would it help? If If I put positive 0.5, so it ignores depth buffer, right? So how about image vertex shader? Yeah, it's the same, except there is a color. It should be based on the order. How order changed? So UI, render data, render text. So I guess it should be good task for Gemini to work it out. I am refactoring the code, and suddenly, let me do it here. I'm refactoring the code, and suddenly images are rendering after text, but in the code it's text renders the latest. I'm not sure what changed. Can you debug it for me?
I'm refactoring the code and suddenly images are rendering f-text, but in the code it text renders the latest. I'm not sure what changed. Can you debug it for me?
So I'm expecting in the UI text be always on top of images.
So I'm expecting in the UI text be always on top of images.
Let's see. So I'm wondering, maybe there is just a flag in BGFX which would allow reordering, and because I refactoring the code, there is something changed and it's just reordered rendering, or maybe timing changed. Okay, I'm going to ask Gemini on our side how to make BGFX not to reorder draw calls. Discard state flag, set view order. Set view order, optional, define custom order, set view mode, set view mode. Oh, it's finally figured out by itself. Okay. Yeah, so we need that one. Here we go. Fixed. Alright. Bye bye. So, not to waste tokens. That is fixed. I figured out by myself, but like at the same time. And I was just lacking, just walking around and thinking how I can fix it. And what is the culprit? So uniforms. So we can pass the shader, and we need as well be able to pass uniforms, or RadialProgress image in. So what is image in that is doing? Set transform, set the image texture, image texture. So essentially, I need that. So uniforms setup, or setup uniform, set up uniforms or unis. So that would be dot set up uniforms this, and we would have and that one right, and here I guess it should go here, right? Yeah. Okay, and this code should be what is image text? Why it's not working? Oh, BG, right? Available overload dot get that remove. Still not happy. No valuable overload. Interesting. Why? Oh, this is const. Okay. Prog asset to uin16 from prog asset to uin. Why it's uin16? Image in program handle. No. Oh, it's incomplete type. Okay. And for RadialProgress, everything looks good. So let's see. Game. Okay. So, okay, let's small steps, right? Okay, and RadialProgress. It's going to be background texture, foreground texture, and background texture, foreground texture, and as well GLM vec4. It's gonna be progress. So here progress equals max minus minimum divide by value minus minimum GLM vec 4. Okay, so now it should blow up. It did not blow up. Oh yeah, it did not blow up. It's fine. Fragment shader, image text. So it's gonna be bg text, fg text, and uniform vec4 progress. So if I put bg text, it should show bg text. If I put fg text, it will show fg text. And angle float 8 on 2. .5 vec2 So we have a circle. So this is 0. This is pi. This is pi divided by 2, and I want from here to here. So I want this to be a 0 and this to be 1. And pi divided by 2, I guess. So 0 is 2.5 pi divided by 2, and 1 is 3.5 pi divided by 2. I guess minus 0.5 pi. This is negative as well. Yeah, let's do it this way first. So we need to convert this value to that, right? So we have x a plus b equals y, and x equals 0, x equal 1. I guess let's do y. Y equals 0, y equals 1, right? Because I want to convert x to y. So then x equals that value. I want to get 0. Okay. So y0 a times x plus b. Okay. Y0 2.5 divided by 2, it's 125. A plus b equals 0, and minus 0.25 a plus b equals 1. So b equals minus 125a minus 0.25 a minus 1.25 a equals 1, minus a equals 1, a equals minus 1, minus 1.5, a equals minus 2 Fern, right? Minus 2 Fern, and b is minus 2.5. Oh, it's plus now, right? 25 times 2 third a equals 2.5, a equals 5/6 of a. 5/6. A is minus 2/3, b is 5/6, and it's all pi. So a is minus 2/3 of pi x plus 5/6 of pi equals y. So let's see. If we have 0, it's gonna be 5/6 of the pi. Everything was wrong because pi is needed. This one is not pi. So b is minus 125 pi a. Let's put b here, minus 0.25 pi a plus minus 125 pi a equals 1. Minus 1.5 pi a equals 1. A equals 1 divided by 1 minus 1.5 pi. And b is minus 1.5 pi times, so it's plus 1.25 pi. So pi is cancelling out. 1.25 divided by 1.5, which is 1.53 or 3/6. I want to be in a bit different form. So currently it's so let me minus 2/3 of pi, right? So minus 2/3 of pi a plus 3/6 equals y, which is going to be right now, right? So 3/6. Wait a second, it's not 3/6. 2/6. 3/6 or 1/3. It's not. Man. 125. Oh, it's a 2. It's a 5/6. 5/6. 5/6. Yeah. Yeah. Now it looks right. So I want to be in different form. Minus 2/3 pi x plus 5/6 times, so it's gonna become minus 5/6 times 3 2 times pi, and it's 2/3 pi minus 15 12 pi, and that one is it's divided by 3, so it's a 5 4. What bothers me, it's times pi. It should be divided by pi. Ax plus b equals y. So like, for example, if it's a pi, it cannot be pi squared. Something not right. 2.5 pi divided by 2. Yeah, that should cancel out. Yeah. Pi is here. Yeah. Now this is right. Minus 2 3 pi equals y. Okay. minus 5 4 4 times pi f mod times minus 2 divided by 3 divided by pi angle. If angle greater than 0 and angle less than progress, foreground texture, else background texture. And actually I can do it this way, right? Foreground, background texture, segfold. It's not drawing anything. So I can probably do this way. Texture 3D or B. This is the proper way to do background, foreground. Okay. Something not right. Progress is too much. Max minus my min, well minus min. So 1. Oh. Oops. Should be like this. Hey. Okay, so. What's not right? F mod. Oh, there is this minus is throwing things away. Okay, so should be like this. 1/3, right? But I initialize it to 2/3. So what if I put half? Oh, it's doing nothing. Interesting. Half. Yeah, 2/3. So passing is working. Something here is not right. Let me ask, is that shader correct? Let's see if this gonna work. I'm just going to copy paste it, comment out my oh, there is a minus. Hey Tanya.
Tanya V said, hello, hello.
So there is a minus here. So maybe this is the culprit in my math. So minus here. Okay. I think it's working, except if it's in the range, foreground. No, I don't think it's working. So let's put 5 here. Oh, it's doing nothing. So what else? Angle, start offset. 0.75. Normalize angle. Start offset. Oh, maybe F mode. So I should probably do mode. No. Normalized angle. I don't know. This is the right move. Why this is? Maybe why should this flipped? Oh, okay. 6633. Okay. Go away, I. Okay, let's see gameplay. RadialProgress. Wait. Radial. Yeah, I should put here progress.x. Okay. Pretty good. So there is a slight delay, and I think it's related to yeah. So there is a little bit is missing here. I think we should add a little bit here, like this. Okay, it's like this. So let's render it. Save. Should be called stat gosh background.
AutoL equals progress.lock. Assert val equals 0.0f. Stat gauge.
Stat gauge background. Okay, and where is the other one? Did I delete it? It's probably deleted it, so yeah. I think I can extend it a little bit more. Okay. Foreground. Okay, so now what happened? Delete layer. Delete layer. So now foreground. Okay. Save. Save. Yeah, now it's good. Oh, it's died. That I can delete, right? I don't need it. So let's delete and just reuse image. Oh, yeah. is too small. I don't know. Okay. Duplicate layer. Filter. Gaussian blur. Okay, let's see. Hey, what's going on? Stats ico. Did I save it in the wrong file? I said stats ico. What's going on? Okay. Ooh, that's nasty. So let me create new layer. There is something black. Yeah. So probably I should create new layer, or I can just pick white color and fill it. Float fill. Okay. Yeah, looks clean. So maybe 6 or 5. Okay. Background color. Oh yeah. Okay, and for that I guess we do not want to have actually bloom. It's even maybe less prominent, like this maybe. Well, okay. I think I can do it this way. So let's get rid of all this stuff. That's not right. Get model matte. Get model matte. For get model matte. So I think bottom left. What the size of that image? 8, 1 to 8, 8, 8, and 821. Probably that is correct way. Where is the pi? Oh, it's a lowercase. $72, right? What the heck? What? Why it's misaligned? Oh my god. Okay. I feel it's maybe 5 pixels. 7, 5. I think it's too much. It's a little bit too much. So 5. So we tune it out a bit. Minus 125. Plus 0.6. Yeah, I think it's pretty close. So let me calculate the value. Oh, F 77. You sure? There is no way. What is going on? Oh, 73.85. Okay. And want to put the gauge in the center. But how big is it? So 102. Need 26, 13, 13, 13, 13. Oh, classic mistake. Run for your life. Okay, I can do that. I didn't know I can do that. Okay. I think it's not. It's a big pointer, right? Okay, so eight, 2, 3 mana and 4 energy and 5 XP. I don't know. Oh, it's loaded from the. It's loaded from JSON. Player. Let's put some funny values. 0.2, 4, 6, 8, 1, and XP. Let's do 0.5. XP is not showing correctly. Oh, because XP is integer. Let's do 50 for XP and player.cpp. Where is it? Max 100. Yeah, things are making sense. Okay,
Populate gauges in the circle in the order: HP, hunger, thirst, mana, and energy. Last gauge for XP.
I don't know, I feel tired. I guess I'll take earlier break, rest maybe for 1 hour and continue in the evening. It's pretty good progress. So visually there is not too much change, but all this stuff is functional now. So if game is going to update them, they would be updated. So I need to put the level in the middle and implement logic for updating them, but it's kind of mechanical work, so the hardest part is implemented. Looks pretty nice. It's probably to implement it in Unreal Engine would require way more, I don't know, maybe less. I would probably go lazy route and just make the horizontal progress, but here's it. It's a radial one. It's quite cool. Okay, let's make the commit. I think I can remove this thing. Asset.cpp. So I can remove that. So how it was called assets remove remove pre-initialized assets from class assets to improve the compilation time.
Remove pre-initialized assets from class assets to improve the compilation time.
Work in progress for player stats.
Work in progress for player stats.
Radial progress bar.
RadialProgress bar.
Make the shorthand for stat reference wrapper.
Make the shorthand for said reference wrapper.
Some refactoring in the renderer to support custom shaders.
Some refactoring in the renderer to support custom shaders.
Fix double free in mesh asset.
Fix double free in mesh asset.
Okay. So let's put here, give it a div. Copy.
RadialProg spar prog asset reft alias render refactor.
Okay. Okay, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you next time. Bye. Maybe I should just override. It is not thicker. Should be thicker, but it's not thicker. What's going on? Save. What's going on here? Am I saving somewhere? Why? What's going on? I didn't get in. Oh, it is updated. Huh. I am not sure. Let's see. Okay. So maybe I want to. Let's duplicate that layer and apply the blur filter. I don't know. It's very sharp. I'm just wondering if I scale it, would it make it softer? I don't know. It is not soft. I do not know if it's I'm pretty sure it's have some effect, but very, very subtle. Like barely can see it here. Wait a second, it does nothing. What? Oh, huh. %. 1%? I guess it does do things, but very subtle. So I think 2% should be good. That should be double. So this is the constructor, and yeah, man, should be fine, because that is the part of the node, and if this dies, Gorgeous as well going to die. So I think it should be fine. So that one is HP, get max HP. So we just going to have a bunch of functions. Auto get max HP double max mana hunger maybe XP make double as well. I think maximum level would be 99, so it would fit here in the middle. So HP is probably some ridiculous number. 1 billion, 100 million billion, mana 50 billion. I would say hunger. So wait a second, it should be 1 billion, right? Mana 500 million, Hunger, let's do 10 billion. Actually, maybe make it linear, not exponential. So hunger should be linear, 99, and thirst as well. I don't know. Should I start from level 0? Yeah. Energy is same. I think 1 billion is good. So AE level times B equals HP, right? So AE level 0 times B equals 1. AE 9 times AE 9 times B equals 1000 million billion. So A equals 1 and B 9 times B equals ln. So B equals ln divided by 9. Yeah. So max HP return ln to log divide by 99. Max mana. Oh, where is the level? Oh, I think it's X, right? Compute base E exponential. Yeah. Hunger is AX plus B equals hunger, and level, and A0 plus B equals 1, and A99 plus B equals 100. So B1 1 A equals 1 as well. Okay, so hunger equals 1 plus level. Okay, thirst. One 200, right? B is still equal 1, and 199 divided by 99. Return 199 divided by 99 times level plus 1. Energy 50. Next level XP is going to be that. So if I tune it to 10 minutes here, So that would be 10 times 16 hours. 7 hours. I think 10 minutes should be fine. I know, maybe I should do it like this. So in this case, so how I've got 199? Oh yeah, because -1, so 19 9 99 and 4 divided by 99. Maybe I should start from 20 minutes or maybe I should do 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Divide by 15, divide by 60. Okay. Okay. Yeah, they are moving, but very, very slow, right? So if I do 1 minute, it would be very visible, right? It should be very visible. Okay. Let's make it 15 times faster. Okay, where is it? So I need to add the label equals add label. What's going on? Why it's... here we go. Okay. And position should be that. auto L equals level label dot look. Do we have any way to control it? Doesn't look like. I guess I think there is a font, right? There is a get dimensions. Okay, so auto d equals L font get dimensions 20 0 and then minus d dot x divided by 2 minus d dot y divided by 2 plus maybe. Why didn't work? 0.24. Ah. Should it be plus? No. Should be minus, but it's not working very well. It's too low. So I guess I have to start adjusting manually. Yeah, something like this. The color. Page 349 349 635 243. So let's see if I put 99 here. Where is it? 99. Okay, let me record that. What did I do?
The stats updates are speeding up. The stats updates were speeded up. Stat gauges.
Okay, let me post that on I don't know, on X maybe. Doing the bits.
Revival stat gauges. Survival stat gauges are functional now. No engine game. :P.
Okay, and I'm just going to ask that guy to give me commit message. Yeah, he's doing pretty good job of writing the commit messages. Okay, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you next time. Bye.